Okay, so let's quickly move to description list and then go to Visual Studio Code to see how it works. Don't forget it's for terms and then their description. So let's go back, still inside that same file we have previously from ULLI. After this OL, I want you to do the mother element. Let me just call it that way. I used to call mother element the wrap element, like this OL now, it has li inside it, so it's like a mother element. So DL is just the the grouping element for description list. So if you want to list a description, you use DL first of all. Inside the DL, you now begin to describe the other element that works with it is the DT and the DD. So the DT is the description term. Let's say HTML is a term we want to describe, and then the DD, that's the description definition. That's the definition. Let me put HTML stands for high purchased markup language. Let me do another DT, CSS, then DD to describe CSS, and now do DD. Then CSS stand for cascading style sheet. So press Ctrl S at your end, and let's go back to our browser. So let's refresh. You see what it gives. See what we just did now. It's usually using, maybe you want to create a glossary like interface on your website. You use the DL, and then you use the DL in conjunction with the DT and the DD. So let me just recap the three stuffs we have discussed today: the ordered list, the unordered list, and then the definition list. So the unordered list, let me go back to the code. The unordered list is represented with UL, and the LI is the one you use to describe the items you want to list. So another list by default gives us what's it called? Give us a bulleted list. And then ordered list by default gives us a numbered list. And DL is used to create a glossary like behavior in our web page. I hope with this you've been able to understand how to use DL, DT, DD, then the UL, the LI, the OL, and the what's it called? The LI too. So thumbs up.